Hello, infidels! How are you guys today? I'm Yessie the Yeti, and this is my very first show. I've actually come to see you guys. You guys are the best. I love you guys, and I love you, and you, and you, and you. All you guys that come to see me are the best in the world. I love you guys so, so much with my ice cold heart. But what I want to know is, what the heck? Who the hell is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is he? Anybody know? I'm your owner. How are you my owner? I'm my own owner. I live in this world as a whole, not with you. Not with you. Well, excuse me. Well, you do know that if this guy ever puts on a show again with me, yeah, what are you gonna do? Never thought about that. Never mind, because without him, I won't be able to move. Oh, really? Yes, really. Now, you guys out there in TV land really need to know what to do when brushing your teeth. Otherwise, your teeth will look like this. And trust me, I don't like it when my teeth are like this. To tell you the truth, his teeth are like that too. I heard that. What? Yeah, I heard that. Oh, man, shit. Boom. Way over his head. I meant another thing. Ah, ha, 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 ha. I know. So, what am I doing today? You're doing a puppet show for the people in TV land. Hey, only I can control my hand. Don't control my hand for me. Okay. I'm doing a puppet show today for all you people in TV land. And I love you guys so much with my icicle heart that I'm going to make this a nice long show just for you guys. Now, this old Yeti was once a little boy, but now he has old tire bones. Tire bones? Yes, they're made out of bicycle tires and their bones. There once was a little guy named Tucket. He said he wanted a silver bucket. But when I came to him, I said to him, oh, go fuck it. I kill me. I kill you. So, when I went with the show, I said, go. Ow, my own hand. Why would I bite my hand? I thought it was an ice cream cone. I love you guys. You guys are the best. But there's another thing that's bothering me, James. What? talking about when I got your back, you know, yeah, why do you have your hand inside my back? Because I got your back. No, you got it inside my back. Because I got your back. No, it is inside my back. Luckily, it's not inside your butt. Ah, okay, you got me. Well, this has been fun, guys, but I really gotta rest. So, I'll see you guys in the next Yes episode. Hope you guys all enjoyed. And don't forget, this is my first audition for open mic night. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to go to open mic night, most likely. Just like it if you want me to. Even one like will get me up there. I really don't care. I love you guys. Goodbye. Yeti out. How does this thing work? Uh, 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 like, comment, and subscribe. Yeti